The Declaration of Independence. When, in the course of human events, in other words, there comes a time in history when the American people must break away from England and become a separate nation, equal with other nations, like God planned all along. We care about what the rest of the world thinks, so we'll tell you why we were forced to declare independence. We hold these truths to be self-evident. Everyone can see that the following things are true. All people are created with equal rights. God made them with rights that cannot be taken away. These include life, political freedom, and economic freedom. To make sure we have these rights, people set up governments to protect these rights. Governments get their powers from the okay of the people. If a government tries to take away people's rights, the people may change or get rid of that government and set up a new government. It should be based on principles, and its powers should be organized so that it protects the safety and happiness of the people. We should be cautious, and if a government's been around for a long time, don't change it just because of some little thing or because of something that might change back again in a few years. Because of this, history has shown that people will suffer as long as they can rather than get rid of a government that they're used to. But when a long list of bad things happens and the leaders illegally seize power, and it looks like what they're after is a plan to put the people under an evil dictatorship, it is the right and the duty of the people to get rid of that evil government and set up a new government that will protect their rights in the future. The American colonies have suffered patiently, but now we must change our old system of government. In the past, King George has repeatedly hurt the colonies and illegally seized power. His plan all along has been to become a dictator over the colonies. To prove what we say, here's a list of what he's done.